Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to my channel and watch all the videos. I have posted all the videos. We have live trading type of videos, we have how to pick stocks type of videos, we have technical analysis type of videos and many other videos are there. So I'm putting the live trading videos continuously from Monday to today Friday, so you can just watch that how I do that, so that beginners will get an idea of how to do trading. And also for the so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, very important, so that you don't miss my notification. So click the bell icon. Also for the ones who wants my training and personal training, all those details, you can WhatsApp my customer care team 7892652481 and ask them Diaspol personal training videos or one-on-one sessions. You can ask them, so they will give you all the details. For the ones who wants to be a part of my secret Telegram channel, okay, so whoever is not part of my secret Telegram channel, I made a recent video also, you can go check that. You can open an account in Zerodha or else Upstock. So in the video description you have the link, click on it, automatically it will consider as my referral. Or else in the about section I have mentioned the Zerodha and Upstock link, click on it so that you can open your account. Upstock is giving a free account, so anyways you can open it and be a part of my secret Telegram channel. So whoever doesn't know about my secret Telegram channel, we discuss a lot of things here. So today's observation also was good. Around Sun TV we were looking at 398, which went down up to 389 I guess. So that was observations which we do. So it's not for recommendation, it's only for learning purpose only. So I just sold Zeal right now because I'm just seeing the stock spiking down. Nifty is neutral actually, and I saw the stock spiking, so 277.38 is where I sold them. If you see Nifty, this is how the Nifty is going. And Zeal is very volatile today. So this is the levels where he has a support right now. So after some time, if he is breaking this, he's already gone down, he has broken all his averages, but still if he can take some time and break down this level, that's what I'm expecting. After some time, till then I have to adjust the stop loss. So we were observing Sun TV on a breakout of 398 observations. If the market is neutral somewhere, 0.18, 0.17, it is dancing in that level. Even though the market opened a little bit up, gap up, and then it came down and staying in the neutral zone. So now keeping that in mind, let's see, already it has moved to 396.15 already. So normally we observe how much 1 rupee. In this case, let's say 1 rupee 20 paisa, because it's close to 4 rupees stock, 396, right? So close to 4 rupees stock. So let's say 40 paisa, 40 paisa, 40 paisa, 1 rupee 20 paisa. So it has gone close to 2 rupees down. Zeal has taken a small turn, so I have to wait because the volatility is high in Zeal. Like the up and down movements are high. So the down movement is done, up movement is done, down, and one more up, and one more down will be a great. Only thing is this is a very strong support area, because you see how it got pushed up. So same way here also it got pushed up. So next breakout, if I get good push from the top side towards the sell direction, then this breakout also can happen. The only thing is the stock has already fallen, but considering the percentage, the lower circuit, it has a lot of way to go down, but it depends now. Okay, so anyway, Sun TV has fallen down. Nifty has come to 0 now. Now slowly going to negative. See, Nifty gap up, cover the gap in minute, came down, then again volatile, went up like little bit of above the 0.20, again came down to neutral. Now it is somewhere near neutral, exact neutral, zero somewhere it was standing. Yeah, all right. So the Zeal chart looks like this on a 30 minutes candlestick pattern. So I'm expecting if it can do a breakout, at least come and reach its low part 275.79, somewhere closer to that is what I'm looking at advantage. And yeah, either a breakout can happen or at least it can go. So it has a potential. This candle has a potential to come up till there if it goes one directional, that is in negative directional. If it can go continuously, it can reach up to 275 areas, and if it breaks, it can create more. So it crosses that 277, that down mark, I will get my profits. So if it comes near 275 or 276, I will get my profits. So that's what I'm looking at. So currently it is coming down. If you see, Sun TV has made a 394 low. Okay, so from 398 observation, 394 almost. So more than 1 rupee 20 paisa. Let's say 4 rupees has moved already. So more close to 1% movement from our learning observation. So this one is around 278. It may fall very soon. Fall soon, or else I have to sit and wait. So break down 278. Come on, melt down. Come on, break. Yes, break down 277, break down. $278 is giving too much of support, right? Alright, it'll take some time then for that to melt down. Finally it came down to 275, 274. Alright, so that's how it looks like. So 2292. So I'm just booking off my profit because I don't know if it reverses after breaking the previous candle's low. What if it reverses? And moreover, I'm getting more than, so almost let's say 85 paisa, 90 paisa was my target. But in this case, you see, I took a chance because the volatility, and I took at a current market price, guys. I didn't take with any intention because I saw the stock falling at 290 something, 292. Then I start slowly followed the stock. Okay, and after following the stock is coming down. So I knew there is some potential that the stock can break. Like I told you, the candle can break its own low. So keeping that thing in mind, I sold around 278 somewhere. So it's a cover order. So it took at 277. It's a small quantity. I didn't want to test much. So during that time, it finally took time and came here. It can further go down or else reverse also. So for now, it has made a low of 273.35. And Sun TV, if you see, oh, it's gone down 389.35. I think, hope everyone have observed, from 398 is what we were looking. So it has gone up to 389.35. You saw Nifty is neutral. That's the reason when Nifty is neutral, I don't take much of advantage. When Nifty is away from neutral, you take more of advantage. That one thing you have to keep in mind. So generally, when Nifty is neutral, we don't trade actually. That is the rule for our beginners. And when Nifty is above like 0.20, we try to observe 0.3% target. But you see Nifty, it has gone down and buyers have pushed them up, recovering now. See that? Now I don't want that to impact my stocks. Now Zeal came up 276 somewhere it reached, right? So small reversal will happen. So I didn't want to miss my profit. So I booked off my immediate spike down profit. That's how even you can do. But what I am doing is bit risk trading because, like, in equity I'm comfortable very much compared to so many days of practice, I'm confident. That's what I'm saying you, because I know the pluses, minus, I know where I'll make loss, I know what's gonna happen most of the time, all the trends I have seen. So most of the trends I am aware of. There are something new which comes up in the market, that is nobody can handle those. So 5% error is there from my end, but most of the time I can observe the market. Yes, people may think I'm lucky. Whenever I take a stock, it goes. End of the day, somehow it goes. It's not that, because of few parameters what I look into, and lot of things I look into, which my personal training students also will be getting some idea why I'm picking and all that. So they also get an idea. So that's how my style is, how I do. And yes, it has finally gone a little bit up. Good thing. Good, we booked. How much did we book? Okay, it is some 2,292. Now let's say 2,100 after brokerage, or let's say it's a small quantity, right? So almost I hit 1%. So around 10-15% profit. Okay, more than enough for today's expenses. Hardly 400-300 rupees I spend a day when I'm at home. So yeah, it's more than enough for me. Yeah, so hopefully after today's sessions of personal training, I will try to practice one more commodity. Yesterday I didn't get time to practice anyways. Today also I'll try with one lot or something. But I think Zeal came down. So is it going to break its own low? Is the observe? I'm just observing, guys. And one very important thing, you should have zero sentiments with stocks. So you see, every day I pick some of the other stocks, and there is zero sentiments. Where did he go? And yesterday Zeal was around some 300 something, right? Where I was telling to sell it, and yesterday it fell very badly, right? Yesterday, if you see in my secret channel, Zeal around 322, I told them to consider the sell side direction, learn to sell, observe the part, and let's see a 1 day candle and see till where it went. So up to 306 it fell after our like what I have shown observation, it has fallen. And today again Zeal has opened and gone down 274 already now. If you see, MACD has opened a big mouth like this. Okay, RSI has almost reached 23. Hardly few more minutes to, or few more time to hit that below 20 mark also. I think then the stock will be done, until and unless there is some good news or bad news on this stock. So I have not yet checked the news part of the stock anyways. I don't want to check also, because I have already exited. Now I don't need to check any news. But if I'm invested, then I will have to check some news, what's happening. That's the tension when you invest. Or else when you take a trade, then if you feel it is going opposite and opposite, then you will check the news if there is something wrong. So or else a better thing for all the beginners, whenever you see a stock, if you're going to take it, if you have time, then check if there is any news on it anywhere in Money Control or in Zerodha. If you see any events mentioned, Sun TV anyways 389.35, Nifty 0.02, somewhere exactly in the neutral zone. Advantage to the positive, advantage to the negative side, but very risky. Okay, it's going to be volatile. It'll go up and down, like I showed you in Zeal, right? Up and down, and I consider the next up and down, and I took the advantage. Down, down, up, and I told you next down I have to take my advantage, and this was the next down, and I think now this is the next up, and I don't know if it has further strength to push down. If it is as further strength, then it can go recover sometime up and come down, or else it's gonna break and recover for the day. Already fallen 10%. Zeal is a good company, right? It has fallen almost 10-11% already today. Along with that, so media, everything is falling together. NMDC yesterday which took a buy side, right? Today it is fallen down. somewhere trading near the low. Let's say how much further can it has the potential. Almost it has broken all its level. Now I don't know whether it will take the previous supports. Okay, anyways, nice observation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Always observe the market, don't just trade. First observe the market, you will get the idea of what's happening. That's how your confidence level will go up. So if you're not yet part of my secret telegram channel, that is not the public channel, secret telegram channel, then you can definitely open an account in Upstock or Zerodha. I just made a recent video, right? Secret telegram channel free account opening. So Upstock is giving a free account opening. If you already have Upstock, if you don't have Zerodha, then open Zerodha when Zerodha is #1 company in discount brokers. So you can open Zerodha, or else if you want a free account, you can open in Upstock also. So after opening, just send your client ID, that is your login ID, to our customer care. We will check with our system whether you're open through us, then you will be added to our secret telegram channel. So it's a very limited channel only for the people who are opening account through Smart Trader link. So without wasting time, let's end this video. Hope you had a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.